32 divided by 4, in bracket 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is give us 8. 8 times 4, 4 times 8, this will give us 32. 32 divided by 32, this will give us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, this is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we have to solve from left to right. We are solving from left to right. And in this question, we have one parenthesis, one addition, one division, and we have a multiplication sign here. Now, because division and multiplication have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first of all, we have to do this parenthesis, which is 32 divided by 4. Don't forget there is an invisible multiplication here. When the number is close to parentheses, we multiply. So we put our multiplication sign. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So if we divide 32 divided by 4, this will give us 8. 8 times 8, this is going to give us 64. And this is our final answer.